misfit kid, another burned out town. I never played by the rules and I never really cared. My nasty reputation takes me everywhere. When I can't see, it's not a
What's up, people of Ecuador? How you doing? I just want to let you know that I love you. Your country is beautiful. You've showed me so much love here on my first trip to South America, and I can't wait to come back with my band Truth Movement and rock all of you. I've got so many more fans here than I ever even knew, and you're all beautiful and wonderful people. Great spirit, great energy. We're backstage right now at Guns N' Roses. We just watched the most amazing performance from Sebastian Bach, and we are about to rock. Ow! That's right. So come back and see us. We'll be back next year.